Microsoft developers are abandoning Copilot. Not because they have to pay for something else. Not because their company told them to switch. They have unlimited free access to GitHub Copilot, the AI coding tool Microsoft owns, and they're choosing to use Claude Code from Anthropic instead. When engineers at the company that built a product voluntarily reach for a competitor's tool, that's not marketing. That's practitioners voting with their workflows. And it tells you everything about where AI coding is actually heading right now. Let me break down who the players are here. GitHub Copilot is an AI coding assistant that lives inside your code editor. Microsoft owns it. They acquired GitHub back in 2018, and Copilot has become one of the most widely adopted AI tools in software development. By late 2025, roughly 85% of developers were regularly using some form of AI coding assistant. Copilot was the early leader. Then there's Claude Code. It's made by Anthropic, a competing AI company founded by former OpenAI researchers. Unlike Copilot, which works as an autocomplete inside your editor, Claude Code is a terminal-based agent. It reads your entire codebase, understands context across multiple files, interacts with Git, runs commands, and can execute end-to-end tasks, like implementing features or refactoring entire modules in a single session. Now here's what's happening inside Microsoft. Developers there have unlimited free access to Copilot. It's literally their employer's product, and they're comparing it against Claude Code and Cursor, another AI coding tool. Reports indicate that for complex reasoning tasks, deeper refactors, and working across multiple files, developers find Claude Code meaningfully better. Some organizations using Claude Code report up to 90% AI-generated code, compared to 10 to 15% with Copilot. This is the ultimate product validation moment. When power users at the company that built a tool prefer the competition despite having free unlimited access, you're seeing something real, not analyst predictions, not marketing slides, practitioners choosing based on what actually works. The difference comes down to architecture. Copilot excels at autocomplete, suggesting the next line of code as you type. Claude Code operates differently. It's an agent that can hold context across your entire project, understand relationships between files, and execute multi-step tasks autonomously. For simple completions, Copilot works fine. For complex reasoning and large refactors, Claude Code is pulling ahead. Microsoft clearly sees this too. They've actually integrated Claude into their ecosystem. Claude now powers the researcher agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot and is available in Microsoft Foundry. Even Microsoft is hedging by bringing Claude inside. GitHub is deprecating several AI models across Copilot. On February 17th, changes are coming. The smart developers aren't picking one tool and going all in. They're using Copilot for quick autocomplete, and Claude Code when they need deeper reasoning or multi-file refactors. The skill that matters now isn't mastering one AI tool. It's knowing which tool to reach for in which situation, and having the judgment to catch the mistakes any AI will inevitably make. Watch how Microsoft responds, and watch whether enterprise teams start following what their developers are already doing on the ground. This is the kind of shift that separates who adapts and who gets left behind. If you want to stay ahead of what's actually happening in AI and tech, not the hype but the real moves, subscribe. We break down the news that matters for builders. See you in the next one.